All right, we're here out past Matty Holler here on Norse Lake, and we're going to see what we can go ahead and catch here this evening. Maybe some crappie, maybe some bigmouth bluegill. We'll see. All right, we're going to see what's in here. I don't know. Try for some crappie or something there. The little baby bass are just picking away. I'd like to catch another big one or some crappie right here on this tree. And you see how this cove is right back in here. There's nobody in here. Nobody in here, just me and the fish. Alright, looks like I got me something here. What have I got here? Yeah. Alright, come here, Miller. Alright. Little baby bass. Oh well. Here's another one. Look here. Look here. Look here. Here's another one. A little baby bass. Okay, the wind's picked up quite a bit here, so we're going to move on down just a little bit. It's 20 feet. Now we just hit a ledge 15 feet deep, so we'll see what happens. Alright, I'm using a 1/32, see there, a 1/32 sickle hook. Okay, I'm using these Bobby Garland's monkey milk, and I'm using it on 4-pound line, and what I was actually after was some crappie. Okay, I'm using this, I got one here. Let's see what you are. I don't want to lose you. Uh-oh, come on back here. I got something here. What have I got? I don't know what it is. It's hanging on. Yeah, I'm trying to get the camera. Come on up here, come on. Come on, come on. He's a-shaking, he's a-shaking. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on. Come on, big mouth. Come on. Come on, big mouth. Come on, you can do it. Come on. I want you to look at this. Come here. All right. All right. I want you to look here at this. What I just caught on this 4-pound line. 4-pound line. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing it pretty good? Are you seeing it? Big mouth. Let me get him in shade here. There we go. Nice little blue big mouth here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for allowing me to entice you with that bait. Thank you for taking it. And look here. That's a nice one. Go on back there, buddy. Crappie Max 6.6, 6'6" light rod. I'm just excited. That was fun. This is a, let's see here. This is a 69.25 Fluger on 4-pound line, and I'm using, I'm using a medic here in a minute. I'm using a sickle hook, 1/32 ounce sickle hook with a monkey milk on there, and I'm gonna have to fix it. Get me a new hook or something. Okay, we've caught about 6 largemouth bass and maybe 10 or 15 baby largemouth bass. But it's getting late, and I only intended to come out here just to run the boat. run the motor. I've not run it all year long, so I've done some maintenance on it, and I come out and I caught a few, but we'll try it again in the morning. Until then, go bait 'em, boys.